All right, a little bit of a different scene here. We are at the Menards Proving Grounds. We lost a good bit of our flying field, but we still have a good half here. Here is the Diatone Ripper, the updated version. We are going to try out a 5-inch 3-blade. We tried the 4-inch 3-blade, it works really good. We're going to try the 5-inch 3-blade and see how this one works. It's pretty efficient. This is only a 1900 kV, so we're not really pulling a lot of amps on full throttle. So without further ado, let's get the camera up and let's get in the air. Nice launch. Easy peasy. A little bit of wiggles going, not much. It's starting to stabilize out more. And this is the Radio Link BIME D, the gyro. I mean, this thing is just fast. There's no slow to this wing. So here's 40% throttle, and that does drop it a little. We're gonna do a full speed pass here.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
0.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Well, not this
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Okay, so my antenna was touching the crossfire antenna. And that's what was causing the interference. 0 throttle, nice little cruise. We have a 5S 1600 pack inside of there. I mean, but I am noticing once we give it throttle, it does pull up. So I don't know if that means we're a little tail heavy, or don't know if we need to take a little bit of reflex off. But at your cruise speeds, it's fine, but it does pull up on full throttle. So I don't know what's going on with my radio. Let's do manual mode. We are now full manual. There it is. Yeah, definitely got to add some rates for manual. It's at 100%, and yeah, you try to do a slow turn and it will just flip over. So we don't have any rates set for manual yet. We'll probably drop the trims down to 50% in full manual, but we'll bring it back and get some speed.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to bring the antennas out. We don't have the antennas sticking out, they're still inside of the frame. So we will have to make holes for the antennas to stick out. But she's flying good. 5S with the 3-inch or 5-inch prop, sorry. Yeah, she's a rocket. She is a rocket. 1900 kV, 5140 Nazgul prop, and she's good. No issues at all. Yeah, no problems at all with the 5-inch 3-blade. I'm sure it would be even faster if you put just a 2-blade on there. So I'm very happy with this setup. I didn't have to add any weight. Battery is all the way nose forward, and that's it. And half throttle flying right here. I believe half throttle was only like 1 or 2 amps. Well, that was with the 2-blade, so it might be a little more with the 3-blade, but less than 4 amps for half throttle. Still getting the wiggles, and we still, oh, we have the trim going right, so let's,
Trim center.
there we go. There we go. It's flying a lot better. We had the trim off a little bit. Flying a lot more straight, but it is pretty windy out. Yeah, she's definitely quick. I mean, you give the throttle for a few seconds. 5S. You can only imagine how quick this is. It's hard to say. This might be the fastest one
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
right now, just because this wing is literally built for speed. But the amount of how fast it goes so easily, yeah. There we go. So you do have to keep the throttle on. I'm noticing it gets a little weird if you take the throttle off. Here's 20% throttle. So it can fly on just 20%. I mean, you will have to give it a little up elevate. Oh. There we go. We're hitting the stall speed there. So it looks like to land, I'm going to have to come over the parking lot and back down. So let's go ahead and bring it in for a landing. I think I paid about 60 bucks, 60 something bucks off of AliExpress. Here's the landing here. There it is. Nice. Not bad at all. I'm very happy with this build. The first time around, I think I had the trims too high. I was using, I don't know, I think I was using the 4th or 5th hole. Now I'm using just the 3rd hole from the bottom here. I mean, we could literally trim most of this top part off, but I'm not going to. In this build, I did use the super glue. I didn't use the hot glue. So we saved a little bit of weight, because you know hot glue has more weight than that like watered down super glue. So all of this is super glued together. You can see it leaves kind of a white marks on there. There's no laminate. I haven't laminated it. So yeah, I think I will keep this 5-inch 3-blade on there for now. I'm pretty sure that the 6x4 prop that they give you, that speed prop, I'm pretty sure that would be even faster. But I feel like this is a good mix, you know, because I don't really care about having like the top speed on this one. I mean, yeah, it's fast. I'm not really building it for speed, because I feel like once you start getting too fast of a speed, this thing wants to tear apart, elevons rip off, and all kinds of stuff. So pretty happy with this overall build. GoPro, stop recording.